Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you several products that are very serious in nature because they deal with drop and fall protection. Falls are the #1 cause of injury and fatalities on the job site. In fact, both of my great-grandfathers on my mother's side died from falls while building bridges in Pittsburgh. Their absence in the home left ripple effects that span several generations, so the importance of these products cannot be stressed enough. That said, I'm going to start by showing you the fall protection line, and I'll give you some of the product information, but please consult the DeWALT website for more, as I won't be covering absolutely everything. First is the Rooftop Safety Kit, model number DXFP110050. It comes in a convenient tub container for easy storage and includes a polyester 50-foot Lifeline with a 2-foot built-in energy-absorbing lanyard and alloy steel hardware for full compliance and safety on the job. By the way, all of the products in this video are OSHA compliant and are covered by a 2-year limited warranty. The weight capacity of the system is 310 pounds and the max brake strength is 5,000 pounds. There's also a reusable hinged rooftop anchor which allows for adaptation to varying roof pitches. It's made from plated steel and powder coated for durability. It can be installed with either the enclosed nails or screws. Last is the D1000 harness featuring 5 points of adjustment, pass-through chest and leg connections, lanyard keepers, and heavy-duty dirt and oil repellent polyester webbing. Before I move on to the next product, on average in the United States, how many workers die each workday as a result of a fall? Is it 2, 12, or 24? I'll tell you the answer at the end of this video. Next is the 2-piece fall protection compliance kit with storage container. The model number is DXFP120001. It includes a 6-foot energy absorbing lanyard made of polyester and steel. The fabric resists oil, water, and stains and is rated at 310 pounds. The D1000 harness is fully adjustable and features tongue buckle leg connections to help ensure the user's height safety. Do you know about the ABCs of fall and drop protection? Always remember A means anchor point, B is body support or tool support in the case of drop protection, and C stands for connect or tether. See the DeWALT website for a complete list of lanyard-ready tools. I should point out that the products I just featured in the kits are also available individually. I'll briefly mention the SKUs, but I'll also add a complete list in the description for your reference. First is the reusable rooftop anchor. The model number for this product is DXFP842001. Next is the 5-point adjustment harness with pass-through buckle legs, model number DXFP512001. The other harness that's very similar is model number DXFP512002. It has tongue buckle leg connections. Next is the 6-foot internal energy absorbing lanyard, model number DXFP612111. And the last item in this grouping is the vertical Lifeline assembly. Model number is DXFP210050. Next, I'm going to go over the drop protection items and tell you a little bit about each product. But before I do that, here's one more quick question. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there's 1 injury caused by a dropped object every minute, every 5 minutes, or every 10 minutes. Stay until the end for the answer. The first product in this group is the single leg tool lanyard, model number DXDP720300. It's made from an elastic bungee-style webbing, measures 43 inches in length. It easily attaches with a captive eye, dual-action locking carabiner, and holds up to 25 pounds. Next up is the power tool lanyard with 2 carabiners. The model number is DXDP721510. This product is to be used with the lanyard-ready tool line and holds up to 15 pounds. It's 41 inches in length while relaxed and expands up to 75 inches when stretched. It's made to resist dirt, oil, and stains just like the rest of the line. The next product is the tool attachment with swivel assortment pack, model number DXDP 400161. It includes 5 swivel D-ring tethers ranging in length from 2.5 to 8.5 inches. The max load capacity is 3 pounds. This product is the Coiled tool lanyard, model number DXDP 710900. It's made of polyurethane coated steel cable and provides corrosion resistance and improved life. It has a screw lock dual action carabiner connection, is 4 inches while coiled, and extends up to 60 inches. It holds tools up to 2 pounds. This is the elastic tool attachment with swivel D-ring, model number DXDP 710140. This pack contains 3 polyester elastic cord cinches with adjustable barrel lock design. The connectors are steel alloy swivel D-rings that hold up to 15 pounds. It stretches from 11 to 15 inches. Next is the wristband tool anchor with lanyard, model number DXDP 610310. It's made of a durable elastic material for long wear and comfort. The hook and loop strap fits most wrist sizes. It holds up to 2 pounds and measures 16 inches extended. This product is the Quick Connect tool tethering kit, model number DXDP 910100. It contains a roll of silicone tape, 3 elastic cords that cinch with an adjustable barrel. They connect to a larger elastic bungee with a captive eye, dual action locking carabiner. It extends from 37 to 51 inches when stretched and holds up to 5 pounds. Next up is the Quick Connect tape measure kit, model number DXDP 910300. It has a modular connecting buckle, captive eye, dual action locking carabiner, elastic bungee style webbing, and hook and loop closure, which fits most tape measures up to 35 feet. It ranges from 37 inches relaxed and expands up to 51 inches. By the way, did you know tape measures are used in nearly all trades and are sadly among the most common dropped objects at height? The next product is the single leg tool lanyard, model number DXDP 720200. This is similar to the one I showed a little earlier. It features elastic bungee style webbing, a captive eye dual action locking carabiner made from aluminum, and it expands from 32 to 51 inches and holds up to 15 pounds. This product is the cinch loop attachment, model number DXDP 710600. You can tether multiple tools with this 3-pack. It has a cinch design, making it perfect for tools with a captive hole for attachment without the need for tethering tape. It's made of a polyester cord and steel D-rings. It measures about 6.5 inches in length and holds up to 5 pounds. Up next is the wire tool attachment, model number DXDP 710710. This set includes 6 pieces. Each cable is made of polyurethane coated steel, has locking screws, and is perfect for tools with a captive hole for attachment without the need for tethering tape. They measure 6 inches in length and hold up to 3 pounds. The last product I have to show you is the hard hat lanyard, model number DXDP 610400. It's made of a high-vis elastic polyester material. It works well for tethering hard hats and other lightweight PPE under 2 pounds. It's easy to use. Just clip one end, loop at the other for easy attachment, and it measures 16 inches in length. And now to answer the questions I asked earlier in the video. Sadly, an average 2 workers die each workday as the result of a fall, and there is 1 injury caused by a dropped object every 10 minutes. So I hope this video was helpful. I will include shopping links in the description of this video and tag any relevant products for your convenience. If you have any questions on things I didn't cover, please leave them for me in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see future videos. You can also find me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there and take care.